Okay, let's put me under arrest.
I'm not arresting you now.
Hey,
Now you're under arrest.
I can't.
On the 5th of August 2022, a 35-year-old woman named Mi-hee Cho walks into the Mount Prospect Police Department, factual. She shows up demanding to file a restraining order against her ex-boyfriend, Ben Wyan, who coincidentally happens to be a police officer at this very station.
So I was told by the Cook County Sheriff that I could file a police report.
They're wrong. We are not taking any more reports for you. You
You haven't taken any, so
Yes,
as of
we
now,
have.
I'm a civilian. What is the case number?
The desk officer immediately shuts her down. He explains that she has already filed multiple unfounded reports, and they simply will not entertain her nonsense anymore. But Mi-hee completely ignores his warning, refusing to leave while aggressively demanding to know his badge number.
I'm not taking your report.
Okay, I'm going to stand here till you let me file a case, because as a civilian, I have the right to do so.
If you want to stay in our lobby, you can, but if you're disruptive, you'll be arrested.
Unfazed by the threat of jail time, she crosses her arms and literally dares the police to arrest her. When the officer tells her she is not under arrest just yet, Mi-hee makes a terrible decision and physically shoves him.
Okay, let's put me under arrest.
I'm not arresting you now.
Hey,
Now you're under arrest.
Things escalate in a heartbeat. The officers immediately swarm her to make the arrest, but Mi-hee fights back with everything she has. What started as a simple lobby dispute is about to turn into a full-blown wrestling match on the floor.
Okay, let's put me under arrest.
I'm not arresting you now.
Hey,
Now you're under arrest.
I can't.
Picking up right where the chaos started, Mi-hee violently thrashes against the officers to avoid getting handcuffed. The struggle is so incredibly intense that they have to forcefully pin her to the lobby couch, prompting her to pull out the most ridiculous excuse possible.
I shoved you because you weren't giving me the right to file a police report. This is racism. This is ultimate racism right here.
The officers completely ignore her desperate attempt to play the race card. Realizing that her cheap trick failed miserably, she refuses to comply and forces them to take her all the way down to the hard floor, where she suddenly unleashes a massive screaming fit.
Please stop! Please stop! Go ahead. Please stop!
Ow.
Please stop! Please stop! Please help me. Please help me. I'll go in. I'm sorry. I'll go home.
Screaming fake apologies while actively resisting a lawful arrest simply does not work on these cops. As they try to secure her flailing legs to stop her from kicking them, she completely plays dumb and pretends she has absolutely no idea what they are talking about.
Ma'am, stop with the legs.
What am I doing with my legs?
You're kicking me again.
I'm kicking you?
If you're trying to lift up your legs.
No, I wasn't.
Don't do it.
I'm not doing anything.
Her endless physical resistance and bizarre lies quickly turn the police lobby into a total circus. Finding it entirely impossible to reason with her, the police decide to hold her down and wait for the paramedics. But she is preparing to deliver an even more unbelievable performance.
Okay, let's put me under arrest.
I'm not arresting you now.
Hey,
Now you're under arrest.
I can't.
Following her extremely dramatic meltdown on the floor, the fire department finally arrives to evaluate the chaotic situation. Mi-hee immediately changes her entire personality, putting on a sweet and calm voice to convince the medics that she is actually the innocent victim being harassed.
I came in here to file a police report. It's an ongoing thing. Someone filed a false police report against me. I've been harassed by this person.
Okay.
I have evidence that they've committed a crime against me.
Okay.
No one in here so far has been able to file a police report. That's all I came in here to do today.
Okay. So
She desperately tries to spin a web of lies to get the paramedics on her side. However, the station commander quickly steps into the conversation and completely destroys her false narrative by revealing the dark truth about her past criminal behavior.
She, during that time, started stalking one of the police officers. Subsequently was arrested for harassment by telephone to one of the officers.
With her disturbing history of stalking and harassing cops fully exposed, her fake victim act completely crumbles. She refuses medical attention and continues sitting stubbornly on the floor, forcing a frustrated female officer to step in and give her one final reality check.
Okay, stand up, Miss Troy.
Stand up, okay? Can you stand up?
He just said to stay here.
No, you're under arrest. You're going in the back.
Yeah,
So I need you to stand up.
Her obsessive harassment and completely unhinged sense of entitlement turned a basic lobby visit into a dangerous public spectacle. After exhausting the patience of every single first responder, Mi-hee Cho was officially charged with battery on a police officer. For her actions, she was ultimately sentenced to 1 year in county jail and 2 years of strict probation.